How Richard
just had this call. Listen to it.
received at 7:42 p.m. Help, Richard, the fence is broken and tree branch come out of the fucking tree.
So, we're off down to see Glenda. See what the damage is. We've had 1.5 inches of rain here in the last 24 hours. Most of it's come down in about just a few minutes. And it's on and off. Just got all that hay. It's getting wet apart from the square bale under the tarp. Rainbow and the gate opening up for us. We're on the way to cut down the tree to happiness. Oh, two rainbows here. Right. We'll be at Glenda's in a sec. 1, 2. Well, that's the sun in your eyes. Over the Bet Creek.
That's what they've had up there.
Yeah. So we go and see the disaster is just around the corner. Just well, around 2 corners actually, around this one and the next one. Oops. Bloody hard to film and drive.
She's sitting there, God love her.
Oh yes. Bit of a disaster. Jesus, it is like a bloody swamp down here. If I drive over there, I might get boggered. I might not get boggered too. Look at it. Look at the hair. Now, what's happened?
You're a bit wet, love. Get back up there. Back up there. No, it's not going anywhere.
You want me to walk out in that shit there to fix that tree? What do you reckon, Finn? You want me to fix it? I reckon, Smudge, how's a foot? What are you doing swimming? It's supposed to be... Well, I better get into it. Bloody rainbows are following us.
There.